Tonight, Color 10 asks Springfield's police chief what policies are in place for officers responding to people in a mental health crisis.
On Wednesday, officers shot and killed a man who they say pointed a gun at them after making suicidal statements.
Color 10's Ashley Eddy is live from Springfield Police Headquarters to explain what procedures are in place.
The chief will not specifically answer questions about Wednesday's officer-involved shooting, saying it's still an open investigation. He does tell us more about the training he says his officers receive.
10–15% of all of our calls for service, we have about 100,000 calls a year, involve somebody experiencing some type of mental health issue, illness, or crisis.
Springfield Police Chief Paul Williams says because of that, a new co-response program started in September.
Licensed mental health professionals and police officers working together, get people help and treatment, and keep them out of the criminal justice system.
So Color 10 asked what kind of response Wednesday's officer-involved shooting had, considering police say they were first called after getting reports of a man making suicidal statements.
That incident is under investigation, but I can tell if someone calls, in general, if someone calls and requests a police response to check the well-being of someone, or someone is suicidal and potentially has a weapon, that's always going to be a police response. If there's any potential for danger, we're going to be there first to try to keep it safe, and then, if possible, turn it over to a mental health professional at the earliest point.
But Williams says his officers continue to be trained in de-escalation techniques, including active listening and being empathetic. We asked the chief why the department's Criminal Investigation Division is the one looking into Wednesday's officer-involved shooting.
Some states have very good programs, which I've pushed for here, with an independent statewide body to investigate officer-involved shootings throughout the state. Unfortunately, we don't have that in Missouri. And so then it's kind of on us to determine who best to do that. When we have a large enough agency and a large enough number of investigators and expertise and a little differentiation between people involved, that we're comfortable investigating them ourselves at this point based on what we have available to us. And then we turn it over to the prosecutor.
Williams says more information about the officer-involved shooting will be released at a later date. Reporting in Springfield, Ashley Eddy, Ozarks First.